Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Disney Solitaire closing randomly during gameplay. First, restart your phone to clear temporary glitches that may cause the app to close. Then, head over to your App Store or Play Store, search for Disney Solitaire, and update the app from the App Store or Play Store. Updates often fix stability issues, so update it. Then ensure your phone has free space. Go to settings and then go to general and iPhone storage and ensure your phone has free space. Low storage can make apps crash unexpectedly. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then close the other apps running in the background to free up the memory. Then, if the problem continues, long press on the app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for Disney Solitaire, and reinstall it from there. That's how to fix the Disney Solitaire closing randomly. Subscribe for more quick fixes.